Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, in this video, I am going to show you how to download, install, and connect the Super Empower Battery Management System app, the BMS app. Let's get into it. All right, we are going to start with the QR code right on the manual. I believe it may also be on the battery. So the first thing you want to do is open up your camera app on your phone, and then you'll want to scan, and then you'll hit and open. Okay, once you scan that QR code and open it to the website, this is what you're going to see. Please ignore this and this, the blue. What you're looking for is the green install. These are both diversions. Do not click. Click on install. Once you click install, this is the next screen you're going to get. Ignore this. Go to next step. Again, another diversion. You're going to want to scroll up, and then right here is the install. So you'll hit install. Now you may get this screen, file may be harmful. I've already downloaded this onto a different device and I've had no problems. I scanned it with my virus and malware, and nothing has come up on it. So you'll click download anyway. And there it goes, app installation in progress. Again, diversion, do not click. Do not click. Just let it download and install. Okay, once you have it downloaded, you're going to want to open it. Okay, it shows it is installing. Okay, on this, I had to find the file, click on it to open. And now it's telling me that my phone does not allow uninstall from the source. So I'll click on settings, and I'm going to click allow from this source. And go back. So what happened was it would not let me install because of that little warning. So I had to click that setting that said allow install from this source. So I click install. Now again, it's telling me it's an unsafe app. Now I can understand if you're a little nervous about this. Again, I've already downloaded it and scanned it, and I've had no problems. I'm hoping that they fix this and get it into the Google Play Store as a safe app. Click more details, and then click install anyway. Now it's installing. App is installed. So now you're going to want to open, agree, and here is your app. Now, to connect to the battery, if you notice on the bottom here, you'll see status. Over here you'll see Bluetooth. Parameters and settings, do not concern yourself with, because I don't believe you can do anything with them. But these status and Bluetooth is what you are looking for. So let's go ahead and connect to the battery. So I'm going to have to move to a different location. Stop recording. Okay, so after you have that, click on Bluetooth. The next step, search Bluetooth. Now I'm going to have to give it permission while using the app. And there you see it found one BMS. So you're going to click on BMS. It turns green. Now you are connected to your battery. Next, you're going to click on status. And here is your app. So as you can see right now, my battery is 100% full. I have a light on. I also have a refrigerator on, and the solar panels are running. So I'm drawing a minus 0.73 amps at this time. Now when the refrigerator shuts off, it goes back to 0, and then it'll readjust. Some things to look for on here is a couple things. Number one, this is your main meter. Then you have your voltage. Then you have your current, so you can see the amps coming in. State of charge, 100%. State of health, 100%. And remaining capacity. Now this is the number you really want to watch, because you can see it's in milliamp hours, and that is so that you can measure very small amounts of energy coming in and charging. So that's the one to look for as it rises or decreases. This is your full capacity down here, and depending on your phone, it may be across. My other phone, all four are across that way, but this is your full capacity, and this is saying 328 instead of 314. So the capacity on this seems to be a little larger than the 314. Your max voltage, your minimum voltage. The other thing that I like is your cycles. So it will tell you how many cycles. You also have your cells and different voltages. They're usually pretty balanced. Your temperature and your protections and alarms. Let me see what this one, okay, it doesn't really say, but, and that's it. It's that simple. So I love this app. I've been using it for a while now, and it's just been so amazing to watch the amps and watch it charge. And the battery has been phenomenal for me. I have a 314 amp hour, and it is running my refrigerator, my lights, my radio, my fan, my pump, and I have had no problems. And I have a 200 watt solar panel, and that has been fully recovering the battery by about 1:30 in the afternoon so far. Well, that's it from here. I hope this helps you out. Until next time, this is Bo. See ya!